Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Love Pakistan, Build Pakistan, and I'm Mia Aziz. It's been 8 hours since we've been riding. It's almost 6 o'clock, and we left last night around 10:30, something like that. And right now, sun is coming out, beautiful. We still have about, I think, 3 or 4 hours to go before we get to our destination. Then we're gonna rest, have breakfast, and then continue to our program. Stay night over there, and next day continue my journey. So I will see you in next video. And it's a beautiful morning.